Now let's talk about cost savings and payback. We know that when you're considering an HVAC system, not only does it have to be comfortable, but it has to make financial sense. When we create an iFLOW combi system, and we mentioned that it can be the most efficient in North America, we know that translates to some of the lowest energy bills in North America as well. It has to be. If we've got the most efficient system, we're going to have the lowest utility bills. In fact, when you look at the cost of upgrading from your baseline system, let's say it's new construction, your builder already has selected a furnace and a water heater, for example, and just like upgrading the countertops, just like upgrading your appliances, just like upgrading your flooring, if you can upgrade your mechanical system to an iFLOW combination system, there's going to be perhaps a little bit of a premium. But what we can say is that premium, depending on what the system that you combine together, but that premium can be completely offset by the energy savings on a monthly basis. So when you select an upgrade on a new home, it's added to your mortgage. So let's say the cost of an upgraded iFLOW system is $20 a month to your mortgage over the life of the mortgage. If the energy savings are more than that, right? If the energy savings are $25 a month, then you are cash flow positive from day one. And that is what we expect. So we expect that the incremental cost that it adds to your monthly mortgage will be offset by the energy savings accrued on a monthly basis, making it cash flow positive from day one. So not only do you get all the advantages of the iFLOW system in terms of the full modulation, the comfort delivery to all the systems, zoning perhaps, it can also be cash flow positive from day one. Your countertops, your stainless steel appliances, your hardwood flooring, for example, those don't pay back. Those are great to look at, but your iFLOW system will deliver comfort 24/7, 365. It will deliver lower energy bills, and it will be cash flow positive from day one, or can be cash flow positive from day one, depending on the system you put together. So we believe, and as I mentioned previous, the payback system, or the payback, in many cases is 3.5 years on the incremental cost over a regular system. So again, when we look at payback and cost savings, definitely iFLOW, we're trying to work for you.